National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois until 5:30 p.m. At 4:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Earlville, or 9 miles east of Mendota, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Leland around 5 p.m. Serena around 5:05 p.m. Sheridan around 5:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Millington, including the following Interstate 80 between mile markers 96 and 102. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KXI